Welcome to Math Genius Worldwide YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about process of factorization. First of all, let's discuss about what is factorization. Process of changing the given expression into two or more expressions is known as factorization. Now, process of factorization. First of all, to learn the process of factorization, number one, factorization by taking common when each term has a common factor. Example, xy plus xz plus ay plus az is given over here. Then we will take x common from first two terms and it will come x times y plus z. And in the last two terms, a is common, then we'll write a times y plus z. And again, if you see in this expression, y plus z is common, we'll keep at first and x plus a at the last over here, or vice versa. So second way of factorization is factorization by using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b form. It will be much more clear if we discuss the example. Suppose this is one of the example is given 16x square minus 9y square. So this 16 can be written as 4 square and 9 can be further written as 3 square. You can see 4 square and x square can be expressed in terms of 4x whole square, and this 3 square and y square can be written as 3y whole square. After that, you can apply the formula of a square minus b square. Here 4x will act as a and the 3y will act like b. So a square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. In this way, you can factorize if you get this kind of expression. And the third, you can see factorization by using a cube plus b cube formula. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. And a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So either it is given in plus form or minus. You have to look after. If you see the example here, here is 8 plus a cube is given. So this is the formula related to, we have to apply the formula a cube plus b cube for this case, because 8 can be further written as 2 to the power 3. And this a cube is as it is. A cube plus b cube formula, when you apply a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, and square of 2 will give 4, and 2 times a is 2a only. So this 2 will act like a and this a will act like b. Okay, so a cube plus b cube, do not be confused. And next example, 1 minus 1 upon x cube. Yes, it is given in fraction. So the fraction problem also will solve in the similar manner. Okay, so this 1 can be further can be written as 1 cube, because 1 cube is again 1 only, right? So 1 upon x cube can be written as 1 upon x whole cube, because 1 upon x whole cube, it means 1 upon x cube only, because cube of the 1 will give again 1 and cube of the x will x cube, right? So a cube minus b cube. Here, like a is 1 and like a b is 1 upon x. So you will write like a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So square of 1 will come 1 only. 1 times 1 will give 1 only. And 1 square, again square of the 1 will come 1 and square of x will come x square. In this way, we will factorize if this kind of expressions come. Next, factorization of the type x square plus px plus q, x square minus px plus q, and x square plus px minus q, and x square minus px minus q. So students, they know how to factorize the algebraic expressions, but there is a lacking of the concept. So I would like to request all of you, please have this concept, learn this concept and go ahead, so that there won't be any problem in the case of factorization. So here, if you see over here, x square plus px plus q over here given. So you remember here is plus sign and here is also plus sign at the last, I'm saying. And in this second case, here is minus at the last and minus at the last. Okay. So whatever sign at the front, you don't care. Whatever the sign at the front, don't care. Either plus or minus, whatever, don't care. You just care what is the sign at the last. If the last sign is plus, so you have to understand factorization by estimating the sum of the two numbers is equal to p. So in this case, in both this case, last sign is plus. So sum of the two numbers should come p, whereas product of the two numbers should come q. So similarly, we can have idea now. At last sign is minus if, then what will you do? The difference of the two numbers should come p. The difference of the two numbers should come p, and their product should come q. In case of this, you have to see x square plus px minus q and x square minus px minus q is written. So at last, if there is minus, you have to remember a difference of the two numbers should come p. If you see the last sign is plus over here, then you have to remember the sum of the two numbers should come p. So I repeat here, the sum of the two numbers should come p if the last sign is plus. Whatever the front sign, you don't care. If the last sign is minus, then the difference of the two numbers should come p and their product should come q. This will be more clear like when you see the example. Okay, so I'm explaining with the help of example. You can see here a square plus 9a plus 18 is given. Here I told if the last sign is plus, then sum of the two numbers should come 9 p. Okay, 6 plus 3 is a 9 and 6 3 is a 18 also. So that time, like we discussed, there was a p over here and here was a q. Okay, so sum of the two number is giving p, whereas the product of the two numbers is giving q. You know, at the last is plus, so that's why we are keeping plus over here. Likewise, if the last sign is minus over here, so difference of the two numbers should come p and their product should come q, like in previous slide we discussed, right? Here because 10 minus 3 it gives 7. Okay, and 10 minus 3 it gives 7 and 10 times 3 it gives 30 also. If the last sign is minus, you will do something minus something should give this p. Okay, this is like a p and their product should come q. Okay, so here is 7 given, so difference of the two numbers should come 7 and their product should come 30. Okay, so you know this how to factorize it, right? A square plus 10a minus 3a minus 30 is also called the middle term splitting also, you have learned, right? So you will take a common over here, it will come a plus 10, and if you take minus 3 common here, a plus 10, you don't be confused over here, minus times minus will be plus over here. Okay, when you take minus 3 common from both, then it will be plus over here, and then again take a plus 10 common, and a minus 3 will remain over here. I think it's clear to you all. Now next is factorization of the type ax square plus bx plus c and ax square plus bx minus c. Factorization by estimating the product of the two numbers is AC. If this kind of case will come, you always remember that the product of the numbers should come AC. Okay, in this case also, AC, product of the two numbers should come AC. Whereas their sum should come B for this case, and their difference should come B in the second case. If the last sign is plus, their sum should come P. Sum of the two numbers should come B. And if the last sign is minus, the difference of the two numbers should come B. Product, in the case of product, is same for both the cases. Product will come AC. In this case also product will come AC only. So sum is B in the case of x square plus bx plus c if last one is plus, as I have already explained. And likewise, the product of the two numbers is equal to AC in this second case too, and difference is equal to B in case of x square plus bx minus c. So last sign will determine there should be difference of the two numbers should give this B. If the last sign is plus, the sum of the two numbers should give B. Product is same like AC and AC. Okay, so this will be more clear for you when you go through this example. If you see here, 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, last sign is plus, so the sum of the two numbers should give 10 and their product should give 24. So 3 times 8 is 24, and the two numbers we are taking 6 plus 4 is 10 and 6 plus 24 also. Okay, so 6 times x is 6x, 4 times x is 4x. Now we'll take 3x common over here and it will come x plus 2. And when you take plus 4 common over here, it will come x plus 2 over here. And again x plus 2 is common. And you'll write x plus 2 and this 3x plus 4 over here. In second example, if the last sign is minus, the difference of the two numbers should come this 11. Okay, 16 minus 5 is 11 because the last sign is minus, and their product should come this first into last. 4 into 20, it gives 80. So 16 times 5, it should come 80. It's obvious 16 times 5 is 80. So we remember that if the last sign is minus something should come this middle value, middle number. Okay, and their product should come this AC. Okay, our A is 4, C is 20, and B is 11. The difference of the two number is coming B, and the product is coming AC. Okay, so 16y minus into minus plus 5y. So here you can take 4y common, so y minus 4 will come, and here you will take 5 common, y minus 4 will come, y minus 4 is common, right over here, then 4y plus 5 over here. Now last is factorization of algebraic expression a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4. So this a to the power 4 is written as it is, and b to the power 4 brought near of this a to the power 4. We kept the power, their power is same, a to the power 4 and b to the power 4 we kept together, and this a square b square we kept over here. Sometimes if sometimes some of the question, like a to the power 4 plus a square plus 1 will be given. That 1 you will bring closer to the a to the power 4. Okay, whatever the variables are there, the procedure is same. So a to the power 4 can be further written as like this, square of a square, because 2 times is 4. B to the power 4 further can be written as square of b square, because 2 times is 4, and this is as it is written. So a square plus b square formula you can apply, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and this as it is written, addition subtraction of the like terms, it comes like this, minus a square b square. This can be further written as ab whole square. So a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. This further you can rearrange, plus ab you can keep at the middle, and this minus ab also you can keep at the middle. In this way, we can factorize this kind of algebraic expression. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel to watch upcoming videos.